Hello and welcome everyone. Nice to see you all. Today I'm going to show you how I made this stunning backdrop on my daughter's birthday. It can also be used on occasions like anniversaries, wedding, parties, and festivals. So let's get to the work.
Birthdays calls for celebration. Even in this pandemic, you can still create a delightful backdrop stage by yourself. This is the space I decided to decorate for backdrop. Initially, it had this curtain with brown patterns, which we do not want. So I changed the curtain to a new one, which has comparatively less patterns and almost plain. It's lying in the middle of my living room area. Investing in your space, even a little bit, gives a sense of ownership and influence over your home. Putting a string of star-shaped light with the help of a tape. Once that's done, I used some artificial leaves garland to give a lush green look. To get the look, I started with dropping some part of garland down and rolling the remaining part on the rod. I repeated the same process with some gap 4 to 5 times till the window is fully covered. To make it more appealing, drop the first and last string to a level almost touching to the ground. In between, the dropping length can vary but should be comparatively small. Now layering it twice for a more greener and bushy look. I added some white wisteria flower stem in between. The best thing is these flower drops down, which looks pretty with the leaves. To cover the whole area, it took 6 artificial leaves garland and 2 wisteria stems. That is already looking beautiful. I ordered these happy birthday string and alphabet balloons in golden color. I wanted the name to highlight more, so I chose alphabet balloons for name. They have small holes to hang so that one can hang with a string or can also use a tape. I hung it something like this, right in the middle. You can see how beautiful the golden letters came out with the greens. Then I added some white lilies and orange tulips to make it more attractive. Just randomly tied these flowers on the rod. So colorful and charming, isn't it? Time for some birthday balloons. I used 3 shades of balloons, that is metallic gold, pink and white, to add to the theme. I just fixed it in an arc shape around the curtain. I also added some balloons in the other living room walls. Birthday morning surprise for my little one. My living room is the most versatile space in my home. It can be cozy and relaxing to watch movies or can be bright and colorful for a celebration like this. Here comes my birthday girl. You can create a feeling of festivity right where you are with just a little bit of creativity and intentionality. After all, it's these little things which makes life worthy. Thank you.